Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. Want to shoot a quick video just to show you that I actually am flattered because I'm on a lot of people's lists and I get a lot of emails from a lot of different marketers. And Don Wilson's doing a huge promotion of his auto store program right now, which I think is great. The auto store program is really good, it's rock solid. So here's one of the guys that are pushing it along with me. I'm also promoting the auto store too. So when I read it and it just says, blah, 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 I want to get a head start. So click here to see how to win this holiday season. So I click it, and it goes to like their landing page, which is all good. Got a webinar replay and a big button to join. And then you scroll down and you start seeing some screenshots on the right. And oh, lo and behold, that's me. I'm flattered. So this was last year for me. I did have 106 sales on Gear Bubble, and that's what's that? I'm squinting here. November 29th, 2019. So we're in October 10th right now, 2020. So we are coming right into the prime time of this whole thing. But my point is this: I'm not even mad. I'm just actually kind of flattered that other marketers are taking my screenshots and putting them on their pages to promote Don's product. I think it's awesome. So I actually do this daily. I use Gear Bubble pretty much extensively right now. So I don't use Shopify at all. I know a lot of people do use Shopify with print on demand. I don't. I'm me and a handful of others are really dedicated to Gear Bubble. So I just wanted to show you that I'm getting the results, and Don's Auto Store is going to help you get the results, and Gear Bubble does work. So if we go to the group, let's just go to the group real quick. Gear Bubble. I've posted a couple of things in here too, just because it's motivating. So if we go posts, Gear Bubble, and then let's search. Let's search for me. If I can spell my name right, that'd help. So here we go. I've got a lot, so let's open that in a new tab. So $556.87 profit so far today. This was August 23rd that I posted that one. And I'm one of the only ones too that I don't just post my revenue. I actually post my expenses too, unlike a lot of other people out there who will only ever show you like their gross revenue. They never show you the rest, which really is weird because you'd think you'd be proud of that and how well you're doing. But anyway, so there's $556.87 profit. Here's another one. Show you this one too. $704.29 profit yesterday. That was in June. Another one. $941.12 profit. 4th of July. That was a good day. That was a really good day. And then I've got another one. I don't know what this one is. I've got quite a few in there. If you go to the Gear Bubble group and you search for my name, you're going to see it done. I don't even know what this one is. Oh, the 800,000 milestone back in May that I hit on Gear Bubble. So if I click it, you'll actually see I've done, now I'm getting close to 900,000 now. So I'm going to pass that 7-figure mark very soon. Another one, 445 profit. What else we got? Today's Monday. Oh, here's another one. Man, I didn't even know I had this many in here, to be honest. $560.83 profit. And let's keep going. 6-figure in 2 months. Oh, there's another one. What's this one? Oh, something wrong. That's not good. Oh, this is a good one. This is a really good one. $1,168.16 profit yesterday. So really, really good. That was a great day. That was November 12th, 2019 too. So that was heading right into the actual Christmas buying season quite a bit. So that's awesome that I hit that. I'm very happy with that. Let's keep going down here and look at some more. Friday motivation. 700. Oh man. Okay, so here's my point. I was trying to find that big one, the really big one. Go past 1,000. I can't even find that one where I put it. I wonder if that was in my own group. Might have been. Anyway, here's the point. I've got a big bonus coming out for the auto store, and I actually do this stuff. So I'm not somebody who doesn't practice what they preach. So if you go to the Gear Bubble group on Facebook and search my name, you're going to find a ton of those screenshots because I post them to motivate people and to show them that I'm actually practicing what I preach. And the auto store is going to help you a ton to get some big numbers because you get your own store, you get a ton of bonuses. It's just amazing what Don is offering. In fact, let's have a look at what he's offering here now. So right here, here's what he's got. Basically, it's a done-for-you e-commerce store, fully set up, strategically organized, ready to generate sales. That's awesome. Preloaded catalog of products that are proven to sell. That's pretty damn good. On-trend products automatically added to your store that will leverage profitable holiday seasons like Christmas. And then done-for-you Facebook ads that will attract a steady stream of buyers, as well as access to premium training that will give you ongoing support for continuous growth. And then, so that's the program. But then he gives a couple of bonuses here. So the lifetime account for Gear Bubble Pro is worth more than the cost of AutoStore alone. So that one bonus is worth a lot more. The second one is he gives you a second Gear Bubble Pro account. So that means you can basically have two stores running on Gear Bubble in maybe two different niches. If you wanted, you could do like a gift store, and then maybe somebody's into dogs quite a bit. You want to do like a dog dedicated store, you can do that too. And then the third one is $1,000 in print-on-demand credits. That's a lot of free products. What this means is you're getting products for free that you can sell. So if you sell, say, a coffee mug, let's say a necklace. So a necklace costs, I think, like $7.95 base cost. For me, it costs $4.95 because I get a little bump there. So you're basically getting, if you take out the old calculator here, store credits mean this. You could sell $1,000 worth divided by 7.95. That means 125 necklaces you can sell on your store that you didn't have to pay to be produced. There's no base cost at all. So your whole profit, say you charge $39.95, and for me, I'll make $35 on that. That means that whole $35 goes to me. There's no, actually, if I charge $39.95, that whole $39.95 goes to me. If I have this, and I get to do that for 125 of them. So he's basically handing you $1,000. He's handing you 2 lifetime accounts, and he's handing you an auto store. It's a wicked deal that he's put together. So I think you guys should really jump all over this. It's a great product, and Don knows his stuff. Don Wilson, the owner of Gear Bubble, he knows his stuff. He's sold more than anybody I know online. So get the auto store, get it now, because I'm shooting this video on October 10th. This is perfect timing because you're coming right into the Christmas buying season, so you can't help but make money. You're basically saying, I want to get into e-commerce, but I don't know how. Oh, okay, here, Don's going to build me a store. He's going to fill it with products. He's going to market it for me. He's going to teach me too. Like, that is amazing. That's just totally amazing. So I've got a bonus coming out too. I'm not announcing it yet, but anybody who buys through my link will get the bonus. So you can buy it now. You'll get my bonus. I know there's a lot of other people promoting it as well, but I think my bonus is going to kick some serious butt. So go ahead, check it out. Go to the auto store through the link, and we will see you soon. Have a great day.